Now we shall discuss the literature. We shall discuss the literature that developed during this time period. ठीक है. Katantra is written by Sarvavarman. Katantra. It's a work on grammar. It's a work on grammar by Sarvavarman. Sarvavarman. Katantra, a book on grammar by Sarvavarman. And this Sarvavarman, this gentleman, is a minister of King Hala. King Hala. So nobody will ask you whether he is a minister or feudal chief. Just informative. Just informative. You can guess like this. It's a work on what? It's a work on Sanskrit grammar. It's a work on grammar. It's a work on Sanskrit grammar. Examiner will test like this. Examiner will be testing like this. So Katantra, it's a work on Sanskrit grammar. And we have Brihat Katha by Gunadhya. Brihat Katha by Gunadhya. Brihat Katha by Gunadhya. Brihat Katha by Gunadhya. And we have Lilavati Parinaya by unknown author. Lilavati Parinaya by unknown author. Lilavati Parinaya by unknown author. Unknown author, but here the theme is marriage of the King Hala. Theme is about marriage of King Hala. Marriage of King Hala. His love story, his exploits. It's a Lilavati Parinaya. King Hala himself, he wrote Gata Saptasati. King Hala wrote Gata Saptasati. Or Gata Satasai. Gata Satasai. Gata Saptasati or Gata Satasai by King Hala. Shatavahana King Hala. King himself has wrote. And the most important personality during the Shatavahana time period is Acharya Nagarjuna. Acharya Nagarjuna. Who is this Acharya Nagarjuna? We have discussed in Buddhism. He propounded? क्या है? He propounded Sunyavada. And he is the founder of Madhyamika school. So the next important personality with respect to the literature part, I will be discussing about the literature developed by Acharya Nagarjuna, attributed to Acharya Nagarjuna. So Acharya Nagarjuna, he lived in the Shatavahana territory. Acharya Nagarjuna, he lived in the Shatavahana territory. He is the founder of Madhyamika school. Madhyamika school, and also known as Sunyavada. This we have already discussed. Did we? Yes. ठीक है. Now, what are the works of Acharya Nagarjuna? ठीक है. Prajna Paramita Shastra. I'll write it on the board for you. Prajna Paramita Shastra. Prajna Paramita Shastra, note it down. Prajna Paramita Shastra. Dodasa Niyaka Shastra. Dodasa Niyaka Shastra. Mula Madhyamika Shastra. Mula Madhyamika Shastra. Mula Madhyamika Shastra. Sunya Saptati. Sunya Saptati. Sunya Saptati. Suhurleka. Suhurleka. So these are the literary works by Acharya Nagarjuna. Acharya Nagarjuna. ठीक है. This year 2023 a question was asked. Milinda Panho by Acharya Nagarjuna. Match the following. Milinda Panho by Acharya Nagarjuna. Is it Acharya Nagarjuna? No. Acharya Nagarjuna's works are this. I told you Acharya Nagarjuna, he is the founder of Madhyamika school, also known as the Shunyavada. Shunyavada. Sir, should we remember all these 5 names? It's very difficult. Did not remember. Just have a glance. Just have a glance. Now you just see Madhyamika school and Shunyavada. Madhyamika school and Shunyavada. In his work, Mula Madhyamika Shastra. Mula Madhyamika Shastra. So if you are thorough that this man is the founder of Madhyamika school, also known as Shunyavada, this can be easily identified. Sunya Saptasati also can be easily identified. Yes or no? This is how you have to identify. This is how you have to correlate. Okay? And just try to remember this Suhurleka, Daudasa Niyaka Shastra, and Prajna Paramita Shastra. Yes or no? Yes or no? This is the literature part of the Shatavahanas. Okay, so you can expect questions on literature. You can expect, now in this session we have discussed the administrative part. We have discussed the administrative part, economic, professions, society. Yeah, we have discussed the administrative part. To summarize, monarchy was the order of the day. Kings were referred as Raja Rano. Society, administrative divisions are called as Aharas or Rastras. Every Ahara or Rashtra has an administrative center called as a town, and also it has certain villages. Amatyas are the head of the Aharas, and we come across a title by name Maharati or Mahabhoja. Maharati or Mahabhoja, they represent the feudatory chiefs, and they can make land grants independent of the king. Independent of the king, land grants they can make. And coming to the society has fourfold division of Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra, and society has numerous professions. Halika, Seti, Gandhika, Vadaki, Kolika, Tilabhisaka, Kamakara, Kulikara, Odayantrika, Dhannika, Vasakara. These are the different professional classes. Coming to the economic conditions, there was Bhaga. 1/6 of the produce was collected by the king, and we can see trade guilds acting as bankers. Giving money on interest, accepting deposits on interest, giving money on interest. Because of identification of monsoon, brisk trade has developed. We can see the west coast posts and the east coast posts and the west coast posts flourished during the Shatavahana time period. These are the details of the ports. And coming to the religious conditions, kings followed the Vedic religion, and Buddhism also commanded a large following. This is evident by numerous sources. We have Buddhist relics in the west part and the east part, and we have Buddhist inscriptions. We have Buddhist inscriptions at Jagapet, Amaravati, and Bhattiprolu, and different Buddhist schools also flourished. Different schools of Buddhism also flourished in the Shatavahana territory. These are the Buddhist schools, and this is the places where, or the culture center where these Buddhist schools have flourished. ठीक है. And coming to the literature part, we have Katantara. It's a work on grammar by Sarvavarman. We have Brihat Katha by Gunadhya. Leelavati Parnaya by unknown author. The theme is the marriage of the king Hala. And Hala himself wrote Gata Saptasati or Gata Saptasai or Gata Saptasari. And the most important personality is Acharya Nagarjuna. He is the founder of the Madhyamika school or the Sunyavada. And the literary works which can be attributed to Acharya Nagarjuna are Pagna Paramita Shastra, Dodasa Niyaka Shastra, Mula Madhyamika Shastra, Sunya Saptasati and Suhur Lekha. Done. Focus on this session part rather than the political history. In political history also I described you about Nanaghat inscription and Nasik inscription. So that can also be checked. Nanaghat inscription kya hai? Whose handiwork is that? Okay. List of the kings, just remember the names sufficient. Remember the names are sufficient. Okay. And the territory from Narmada to the Krishna river, connecting the west coast and the east coast. बस हो गया शातवाहना. क्या है उसमें? ठीक है. So let's continue this tomorrow.